Oh God, I've had all of them. I've had the micro bonds, the weave, everything, all the different ones, clip-in ones. Yeah, so I think tapes have done the most damage though, without a doubt, they really have, because my hair's never been this thin before. So obviously it's done quite a bit of damage to my hair, so I'm hoping then now that this will help to sort it out. I just left her to, I said, you just do what you think is right, because she knows best.
For Stella's colour, we're going to go in with a nice rich brown. It looks a bit light, but her natural undertone is really warm. So we're going to go like a nice dark brown, so it's just best to blend the same tones up. So then we're going to add in some soft caramels and we'll tone the whole lot together. It looks a bit black and white now, but when it's all done, it'll blend really, really nicely.